All right, guys, I'm going to swap out the fuel filter on a 2015 Verado 300. As you can see, it's on the, as you're standing on the boat, it's on the left side of the motor. You can see where I'm at. This is the part right here, and I appreciate any subscriptions, guys. Hopefully this helps you guys out. You can see it tucked down in here. Now, of course, you could attempt to get it out with some screwdrivers, but I decided to buy the right tool. And normally I'll give it a shot and be surgical about it, but here's the part number for the I'll have a link down below, but there's the part number for the filter, and I'll put that in there for it blows in the water. And here's the little special tool, so you can put your 3/8 socket on it, and I'll put the link down below on that too. Okay, guys, we'll dig into it, and basically we're gonna obviously take this one out. We might move this wire fitting or wire harness here out of the way and go from there, but I'll swap it out and let you guys know how it goes. It's pretty simple. Talk to you later. Okay, guys, you can see the tool I dropped down in there, and then you just drop your socket in there, and it's that simple. It already started turning out, so there you guys go. Now, getting it out, obviously, I think I'll move that wire harness. Talk to you in a minute. Okay, guys, as you can see, I moved the wire harness. That's out of the way. I backed out the old filter. Here's my new filter. Wire harness was easy to come off, and it's always a good idea to date it. March 27th, 22. So that's today, obviously. And we'll just drop her in and tighten her up. Now remember, obviously electric and fuel don't mix, so all my batteries are off, all my switches are off. And put a rag over this when you're backing off in case there's any sort of spray. But it's that simple. Save yourself some money. I'm just doing preventative. I don't have any issues. But here's my old filter. She looks kind of grungy. So it's not a bad idea to swap it every now and then. The last time it was changed was 2020. So maybe 100 hours ago. All right, that's simple. I'll put some links down below to these parts, the tools again. And I appreciate, again, any subscriptions. Take care, guys. I hope that helps and saves you some money. Talk to you later. Again, this is a Verado, a 2015 Verado 300 Mercury. Bye. Okay, guys, you always want to do a final test at the dock before you take the kids and wife out. Anyway, fuel filter's back in. Went in nice and snug. Wire harness is locked back on. I don't see any spraying. I don't smell anything. No dribbles. I think we're good. So there you go. She's all changed up. It's that simple. Thanks again.